Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my financial future through investing and see if I can really change my life in less than 3 months. Investing. The word itself can evoke a range of emotions, from excitement to fear, depending on your experience with it. But what if I told you that investing can literally change your life in less than 3 months? Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I showed you proof that it's possible? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. Many of us think investing is only for the wealthy, that you need a lot of money to get started, or that it's just too complicated. We might think, I don't have the knowledge, or I don't have the time. These misconceptions hold us back from taking control of our financial future. And then there are the fears. Fear of losing money, fear of the unknown, fear of not being good enough. These fears can be paralyzing, keeping us stuck in a rut, living paycheck to paycheck. We've all heard the horror stories of people losing their shirts in a market, and it's no wonder we're hesitant to take the leap. But what if I told you that most of these fears are unfounded? That with the right knowledge and strategy, investing can be a powerful tool for transformation? The truth is, millions of people have successfully invested their way to financial freedom, and it's not rocket science. There are so many myths surrounding investing that it's no wonder we're confused. We think we need to be experts, or that we need to put in hours of research every day. But the truth is, you can start small, with minimal knowledge, and still see significant results. So what's holding you back? Is it the fear of losing money? The fear of the unknown? Or is it simply the lack of knowledge? Let's look at some real-life examples of people who changed their financial situation in under 3 months. Take Sarah, for instance. She was struggling to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. But she decided to take the leap and invest in a high-yield savings account. Within 3 months, she'd save enough to pay off her credit card debt and start building a safety net. Then there's John, who invested in the stock market and saw his portfolio grow by 20% in just 2 months. He was able to quit his side hustle and focus on his passion project. These stories are inspiring, but they're not unique. There are countless people out there who have seen similar success, and it's not just luck. They all share one thing in common: a willingness to take action, to educate themselves, and to start small. They didn't need to be experts. They just needed to be willing to take the first step. So, what's the critical insight that led to these successful outcomes? In every single case, it was the ability to take action, to start small, and to be consistent. These individuals didn't try to time the market or make get-rich-quick schemes. They simply focused on making progress, one step at a time. They also shared another key trait. They educated themselves, not to become experts, but to gain confidence in their decisions. The transformative power of investing cannot be overstated. It's not just about making money. It's about taking control of your financial future, reducing stress, and creating freedom. And the best part? It's not limited to a select few. Anyone can do it, regardless of their income, knowledge, or background. In less than 3 months, you can start seeing significant changes in your financial situation. You can pay off debt, build a safety net, or even start building wealth. The possibilities are endless, and it's not just about the money. It's about the freedom, the confidence, and the peace of mind that comes with taking control of your financial future. If you've had a similar experience with investing, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Share your story, and let's inspire others to take action. And if you're new to investing, I encourage you to check out my other video on getting started with investing, where I share some practical tips and strategies to help you get started.